Giant. 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 We don't talk aqui. Giant. 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 We want to keep Giant. 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 Tirano. Tirano. Giant. Giant. Tirano. Giant. Point. Point. Giant. Point. Tirano. Giant. Tirano. Giant.
But that's how it goes. Millions of people living this world. Baby, it's not too late.
Giant.
Decoration, man. Just for decoration. Just for decoration. That's all, man. We do it for decoration. Yeah, I got it on my car.
They think it's a fad, it's going to go away. It's not going away.
Some neighbors are saying way too loud.
That's only in the morning. That's only in the morning. You supposed to be up cooking breakfast or somebody, and so that's like an alarm clock. Well, you want to woo woo? It's that woo woo, woo woo. It's that woo. Then you got the flows. They didn't trip off the flow man. Woo woo.
Some Oakland residents will complain about the noisemakers.